Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Vlogmas. This morning hasn't been very exciting at all. I've been doing washing and housework and emails and just some business admin stuff as well, so yeah, not exciting at all. It's lunchtime now, all that stuff's taken me all morning and the weather's looking pretty nice outside, so hopefully we'll be able to start putting the lights up on the outside of the house tonight. So we've got some new ones, some old ones. Oh, a random succulent that needs to be planted at the front at some point as well. But yeah, we've got this little selection of lights. So we need to go out the front and decide where we're going to put them all.
Let's go do that.
Alright, what have we got? So we've gone for solar as much as we can, but some of them are plug-in ones, aren't they? We're being watched.
No.
They're not
I
allowed.
need to get out. I need to get out.
Good luck.
Quick, quick, quick.
Sorry guys.
Hello?
Oh, they're so upset they're left out. Look what they've done to our screen. We need to replace that. Max, what are you doing up there? So that's it, all the lights are up. Now we're just going to wait a few hours for it to actually get dark so we can see what they look like. Okay, it is finally dark enough outside to go and see the lights now that they have hopefully come on. Hopefully all the solar ones had enough time to power up. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to go out and see how our house looks in the dark. First thing we see is our neighbour's brightly lit house. Wow, everything's on here. Everything's come on round here. Hey, we are lit up. Hey, how are you? This morning I was at CIT teaching, and it was my last day teaching there for the year. It was the students are pretty much done now. We did some assessments this morning, and then that's it. That was my last day, so I'm not back there until the new year starts in February. Hopefully I'll carry on with my studying then as well, get this teaching qualification. This afternoon I felt like everything, the busyness of the last few months has just hit me and I am absolutely exhausted. I'm so tired I can't even think straight. So I think this afternoon all I'm going to do is have a nap. I need to recover. I haven't had a day off, a proper day off in so long. So I think I'm just going to take this afternoon to just relax. I've got nothing that I have to do. I was just going to do some Christmassy crafty stuff, so I don't need to do that. That can wait. And then tomorrow I'll see how I feel. I had a bit of a nap. I'm feeling a bit better. And Lil, where are we off to?
My Christmas concert.
her school Christmas concert. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you know what you're doing? Have you rehearsed a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just showed it to Daddy.
Oh, did you?
It's-
Excellent. I'm excited to see it.
It'll be better with music.
Oh yeah, but I'm glad you know what you're doing. Feeling confident?
Yeah.
You'll be fine. Hey Lil, where are you? You did really good. You didn't tell us you had a talking part in your dance and play combined.
Well, that's why it was a surprise.
You did so good, darling. You were so confident. You did brilliantly. I'm really proud of you. So now Lil's done. We've decided we didn't want to cook, so we are heading to our favourite vegan restaurant. Oh, look. Oh, we are stuffed. We are stuffed. What did you have, Lil?
I had red curry
Tofu red curry
and vegetables and rice.
and lots of rice.
And
I
it was
had
gluten-free.
double soy duck. I had soy duck wraps and then soy duck and lychee red curry, which was amazing, and rice. And you're still hungry, so where are we going?
Berries. I gave her some of my lychee because I don't
Yeah, I'll
don't
eat all the
like
lychees. I'm happy to eat the lychees. We're now going to Goodberry's for Lil for dessert. Goodberry's is very much a Canberra thing. It's a bit of a Canberra tradition, and it's
custard.
frozen custard. So you can choose either vanilla or chocolate frozen custard, and then have it mixed with all sorts of fruits
Gummy
or sauces or gummy
But
bears.
we don't know what's in the gummy
Yeah.
bears or anything, so I'm just gonna play.
Yeah, so Lil can have the vanilla Goodberry's is gluten free. The chocolate one isn't.
Well, we're
And
not
then
sure.
there's a lot of cross contamination going on between the different sort of things. There's lots of biscuits and things like that can be mixed in. So we don't trust
I want one
what
now.
she can have. Oh, you weren't hungry a second ago. Now we've talked about it.
Vanilla with butterscotch and cookies and cream.
You're terrible.
I'm gonna be
You're
tubbier.
so easily led.
Yep.
So this is Goodberry's frozen custard. What'd you get?
Yummies. I got
Goodies. So it turns out the vanilla and the chocolate are both gluten free, and they've got a separate gluten free menu. And then you got flake in it, didn't you? And they took the flake from a new container, so there was no cross contamination. So we know we've got somewhere new we can go to get her something gluten free and safe to eat. So what is it? So this is chocolate with flake. What'd you get?
Butterscotch, syrup and macadamias.
In vanilla. Yum!
I
Oh
got
my
chocolate.
god.
Chocolate.
I'm being good and not having one because it's got dairy in it.
Yeah, but you
Yeah.
have your mint ice cream.
Yeah, I've got my dairy free mint ice cream, so. Alright, that's it. We're gonna eat our ice cream and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.